guys, let the December shenanigans begin. Let's head out. Today's on a Saturday. Let's head out and have fun with the boys, man. What a beautiful sunny day today is, man. Looks like December is going to be bomb. Let's go spend the weekend with the boys. Let's go see what's up, man. Let's go. This road is too dusty. Oh my god. So guys, up next is Nazarene University. So the white wall is for Nazarene University. As their field, sports field, is a children's soccer game going on. That's the main entrance of the school over there. That's it. Africa Nazarene University. These are the hostels for Nazarene. The car in front is being driven by Alana. Yeah. That's why I don't want to be close to him. You never want to go so close to Alana. You don't know what might happen. And this is Multimedia University. Yeah, man, this place is always congested. Today is on a Saturday and we have a car stalled on the hill. That's why we have traffic. I think they should just expand this road. This guy was blocking the road. At least now he's out of the way. Let's go. So today I want to fill up my tank. Okay, I just want to fuel the car. Make sure the tire pressure is checked. I've not checked my tire pressure for a while. And there's someone on my ass. Dang, check out that Benz, bruh. Asante. On the front left tire. Now let's go meet up with the boys. Stay tuned to see what we are up to, guys. Looks like all the cars are outside today. We outside. It's end month, people have money. Let's go and spin it. And on top of that, it's a weekend and it's December. Let's go, guys. This is Langata. This is Langata. Let's go. Of some guys playing golf, and I'm here stuck in Nairobi traffic on a Saturday. Into the shenanigans of Victor Road. Tattoos on the first lane. Thika Road shenanigans. Let's go. Here we go again. Keep left unless overtaking. Everyone is keeping left. Yeah. The other left. So it's keep right unless overtaking. Yeah. That's my exit, Kasarani. Kasarani. What a nice markex. Guys, if you know, you know. I won't say anything, but if you know, you know. So today is just chilling with the boys.